write with the pen? Have a pen.
Yeah, pop quiz, I will choose the students. Don't worry. It's not like real pop quiz.
Yeah, you choose students and you do a question, and can we write it with our pen?
Sure, of course, no problem. Well, my first victim is, let's see who was paying attention, okay?
Hi, Miss.
Hi,
Me.
Muhammad Zalhouk.
Me. Miss,
Yalla Muhammad.
what should we do?
Muhammad,
Teacher, me. What should I do?
question.
Everyone else mute.
List 3 features of expository.
I didn't understand. I now joined the Zoom.
Yeah, okay, I'm asking you a question. I didn't explain anything today. This was from yesterday. What are 3 features of expository genre? If you don't know, if someone else know, raise your computer.
I know, but what's...
I miss.
Who knows? Okay, I have Malak and Huda. Let me hear you, Huda. Yalla, Huda.
Okay. List 3 feature of expository genre.
Yes.
Miss, why today we have a 2 English Zoom?
It's an extra session. Please join for the extra session as well. Yes, let's.
Which hour?
What time?
1 o'clock at 1.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, who was telling us, Huda or Malak?
Huda.
Yalla, Huda, continue. Give me 3 features of expository genre and you will earn 5 bonus points.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, Zakaria. Hi. Huda, are you still on? Huda, she left. Not joined.
Miss, we're not gonna do anything.
Yes, Huda, are you still with me?
Miss No, she's here.
I just admitted her, miss. No problem.
Miss, are we gonna use the unit 2 booklet?
Yes.
Sorry, teacher, it was a bad connection and they let me get out of the Zoom, so I rejoined.
No problem. Yalla, do you have an answer? I'm still waiting for you.
Yeah. List 3 pictures of an expository genre. Actually, I don't know. Sorry.
Malak, do you know?
Wait, teacher, is that prefix?
No, it's not about the prefix. Malak, do you know Malak? You raised your hand earlier. Do you know the answer? Who knows?
No.
3 features of expository genre. Who knows? Raise your hand if you know.
Miss, no one knows because we didn't understand.
I know. Teacher, I know.
Yalla,
I was
Hashim.
late.
Hi, Yasma. Yalla, Hashim.
One feature of expository genre is they give you definitions. They give you definitions in expository. Mystery fiction.
1 second, miss. Let me mute everyone except Hashim. As usual, you always unmute yourself, even if without permission. Yalla, Hashim, I unmuted you. Didn't I? Ask to unmute.
Okay, one feature of expository genre is that they give you definitions for words.
Excellent. We have definitions. Number 2.
Yeah. And Muhammad Zalhoud was saying something. Unmute him. He was saying something about a feature.
No, I want the features from you. He was telling us that he joined late and he doesn't know what we're
Okay. Expository is also things that happen in real life.
they give facts. Bravo.
Yeah.
What else?
The last feature is
Zalghut raised his hand. Yes, Muhammad.
yes. Let him answer.
Real fiction.
Prefix, you mean a prefix. Prefix is something else, Muhammad Zalghut. Let me hear from Ali Abu Khalil. Yalla, the three musketeers of grade 3. Muhammad Hashim and Ali. Yes, Ali.
I'm trying to think.
Reading through paragraph.
Say it again, Ali.
Reading through paragraph.
Heading, huh? Headings of paragraphs. Bravo. Excellent, Miss.
Whoa, good job.
I'm so proud of you. Each one got 5 points, okay? +5, Ali Abu Khalil, +5, Hashim, and +5,
Hamad.
Excellent, Miss. I'm so proud of you. And let me add another thing. We also have graphs, right? We have text features and we have graphs. All these are the features of expository genre. Excellent. Now, quiz number 2, question number 2 for the quiz. What are the two parts of the word rejoin? Rejoin. Raise your hand if you want to participate for the chance to earn 5 points. Yes, Majd.
Rejoin?
Yes.
Join again.
What are the two parts? What is the first part? You gave part of the answer. That's correct. But what are the two parts? So rejoin. If you want to divide it into two parts, what?
Re means again.
Bravo. What do we call this part? Is the prefix.
Yeah.
This is the prefix. And it means, as you said, again. Bravo. Excellent, Majd. And what about the word join, the part join? Join? Yes, this is the root word. Okay? So rejoin together means join again.
Yes.
So I can say here that rejoin, all of it means join again. Excellent, Miss. Bravo. Great job.
Welcome.
+5 points also for Majd. Question.
Thank you.
Ready? The question now is about the lesson that we read yesterday. Who wants to answer? Okay, first let me lower all your hands so we can get fresh hands. What is the author's point of view? The author has a point of view, if you remember. What is it? What was the author's point of view? Aline, yalla Aline.
Yeah, the author's point of view was like you need like to vote, so the people will know what you think. So what you think about the people that you are voting for.
So bravo. So the author wants everyone to vote. Bravo, because he thinks, we say, because he, the author, He thinks that voting is what?
Voting is important.
Bravo, Aline. +5 for Aline as well. Excellent, miss. You are well prepared. Brilliant. Question. Last question, okay? And then we will continue. Who can tell me why? This will be a homework, writing homework, so you have to answer. Why is voting important? You can give me 2 reasons, 3 reasons. Important. Why do you think voting is important? Kristen, let me hear from Kristen, and then time.
Okay. So, this is one type. Voting is important because it lets people see what you think.
Bravo. So reason number 1, we say reason number 1 tells people or others what you think. Excellent, good one. Bravo, Kristen. Can I ask? Okay, +5 for Kristen. Bravo, miss. You're on fire. Another, look and give me another reason. Yalla, time. Sorry, I have to unmute you. Time, 1 second. Yalla, time.
Yes, teacher. Teacher, voting is important because it
you know, you have the idea, but you just can't say it, right? I have this feeling.
yes.
Okay, stay with me. Maybe no one will state your reason, okay? Let me ask Zakaria now. Yalla, Zakaria.
Yes, miss.
What is reason number 2?
Reason 2. Voting is important because when you are big, you will know which president you want to vote for.
Bravo, miss. So it teaches us how to vote when we grow up, or who to choose. Who to choose when we grow up. Bravo, miss. Excellent. Good one, Zakaria. Plus for Zakaria. Number 3, do I have Yasma's hand? Yalla, Yasma.
It tells people like if you want to vote for a president, if the president you voted for has more votes, then that's then you pick the
he will be the winner. So it helps.
yeah.
I have
It helps to pick the right president that you want.
Excellent. It helps to pick the right president or the right leader, the leader that everyone or majority, the leader that 80% of the people wants.
But people don't pick leaders.
Yes, but it's okay. They pick the parliaments who are going to pick the leaders. We agreed on this, okay? But we're talking about American voting style, okay?
Miss, do I have +1, +5?
Zakaria, +5, yes, ma'am. Muhammad Zalghout, +5. Majd, Kristen, Ali Abu Khalil, and Hashim. You all got a +5. Bravo, miss. Great job. So here I stated 3 reasons. I think 3 reasons are important for us, okay? Now let's continue. So I hope you can see this one. This is the lecture. As we said, expository gives facts and information about a topic. It has headings that tell what a section is about. It has text features such as bar graph. And we talked about prefixes. We tried to solve one of them, but then the time ended. Okay, so let me have now Dana Sukiya. Yalla, Dana.
Yes.
Yalla Dana, I want you to read for us Women in Congress. Congress, this is in America. Okay, it's a place where um, candidates or congressmen vote for laws. Okay, they state the laws in the Congress. Let's hear Dana. Yalla Dana.
Women in Congress. Today, many members of the United States Congress are women. It hasn't always been that way. No woman had ever served in Congress before 1916. That year,
Janet Rankin.
Janet Rankin
Mhm.
from Montana
Mhm.
was the first woman to be elected to the House of
Representatives.
Representatives.
Yes.
She was elected even before women had the right to vote. Then in 1922, Rebecca Felton from Georgia became the first female senator.
Yes, she became the first female senator. Okay, yeah. So
Okay.
text, how can you tell this text is an expository text? What did we say? What are the features of expository text? Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah, what are they?
Definition.
It has
Fact. Heading. Graph.
Graph, bravo. Do you see a graph here? Does this text have a graph? What is this? Isn't this a graph?
Yes. It
Bravo.
has.
Okay. So so what can you say? So you already have the information. You just have to put them together to give me the answer. Look here, it has years. It gives you the year. So this means that these are what? When you have a year, it means yes?
Date.
Yes, it means that these information are, they actually happened. That these information are what? Are real. It means they are what?
Actually happened.
Yeah. So what do you want to say? If I ask this question, how can you tell this is an expository text? What do you say, Dana? It's an expository text because it tells facts. You have these dates. These dates, it means these are facts. Facts about what? About the heading, about women in Congress.
Yes.
Okay. Question number 2. What 2 text features does the text include? You said one of them, the bar graph.
Heading bar graph.
Excellent, bravo. I have heading and I have bar graph. +5 bonus points for Dana. Next, let's see, we will move on to the prefix, okay? After Dana, I will take Hussam. Yalla Hussam.
Yes.
Hi, Hussam. How are you?
Fine.
Good. Yalla, Hussam. They say underline the word in each sentence that contains a prefix. What the prefixes did we learn about? We learned about what prefixes? We learned about what? Re, on, and this, right?
Yes.
What does re mean? Re means what? Who knows? Mira حدرج. يلا Mira. 1 second, Mira. Yes. Yes, Mira. What does re mean? The re, the prefix re, what does it mean?
Prefix.
Reread mean
Again.
no.
Again.
Yes, yes, bravo, Hussam. Re means again. What about on?
On
Not.
no.
Not.
Bravo,
Not,
Mira.
not.
Both of you. Okay, good, good, yalla. What about this?
Opposite.
This, no.
Opposite, opposite or not. Okay, it has two meanings. It
Yes.
can mean opposite and it can mean not. Plus, okay, bravo, Hussam. Plus for you and plus for me, Mira as well. Thank you, Miss. Bravo, bravo. I'm so happy of you. You're really well prepared. Okay, let me continue with you, Hussam. Read number 1. Yalla, Hussam. It was.
It was you said.
No, see, this word is made of a prefix on and the word usual.
Unusual.
Usual.
Unusual
Mhm.
to see my dog playing in the snow.
Excellent, bravo. So which word has a prefix?
Playing.
Hussam, I just told you the answer. Let me hear from the birthday girl. Yalla, Celine.
It's unusual.
It is the word unusual. Bravo. What does it mean?
On means
No.
Bravo.
not like that.
So it means you can say not usual or not normal. Plus 5,
Yes.
Celine. Excellent job, miss. Thank you. Bravo.
You're welcome.
Yalla, Layla, Farhat, number 2.
Yes.
Number
The two brothers disagreed about which animal is faster, the cheetah or the lion.
good reading. Bravo. Which word has a prefix?
Disagreed.
It's the word disagreed. What does it mean?
That means it means he didn't agree with him.
So the word this, the prefix this.
Yes, this.
What does this mean?
This means like no.
Not or opposite.
Yes, not.
So not in agreement or opposite of agree. Okay? We can say
Yeah.
not in agreement or opposite of agree. Bravo, Laila. You've earned a plus bonus points as well. Thank you. Now let me move to Tia. I haven't heard from Tia a long time ago. Yalla Tia, number 3.
Yes, we are
We are what? Where's Tia? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Reviewing.
reviewing chapter 1 of the test.
Bravo. Which word has a prefix?
Reviewing
Brilliant. Reviewing has a prefix. What does it mean? What does the prefix mean?
means to view again.
Do again means to view, to look at, because view means look at. So it means to look at again. Okay? Bravo, Miss. So this is the end of our lecture. I know it's a long one because of the lesson. Usually expository lessons take much time, okay, than normal lessons. Now I'm going to start with our new lecture. I hope you are ready. It's about irregular plural nouns. Now I want something starting from semester 3. What I want is that every time at the end of the week, by Friday, I want you to watch the video and write notes about the video and send them to me on WhatsApp, okay? The one who write notes about the video will earn 10 bonus points for reviewing the video. Okay? Deal? Okay, now I will allow you to unmute yourselves in case you have any question. Please raise your hand before you unmute yourselves. Yes, Tia.
Questions.
Teacher, I always write notes while I'm watching the lecture, the video.
If you have the notes for our video irregular plural nouns, send them to me and I will give you 10 bonus points.
Okay.
Okay. Anyone else, not only Tia?
I have a question. I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Which video do we have to watch? The one from this week or the one from the last week?
Miss, I have a question.
One second, Dana.
Oh,
Yes,
the one that you put on Tuesday today?
Miss,
not the Zoom, the recorded video, the one about the lecture, the one that the one that is usually uploaded on the application on Friday for the
Miss, I have a question.
Yes, teacher, but I don't get which video do we have to watch and take notes.
If you already watched this video, the note. If you didn't
Teacher,
watch
can we
it,
leave?
then you have to wait for semester 3.
Miss, I have a question.
Yalla Dana, quickly.
Miss, like this, no?
I didn't watch the video.
I want to tell you something.
Yes, Majd.
Teacher, I didn't watch the video. So
I know the lesson.
Semester 3.
Yes, Dana.
Miss, like this note?
I cannot see if send them. I cannot see it clearly here. You have to send them on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this is our lesson. I'm going to start immediately with our title, irregular plural nouns. Now I'm going to ask Time. Time wants to leave. Yalla, Time.
Yes, teacher.
Time, how do I make a singular noun? How do I put it in plural? What do I do? Usually. Yes, I say you.
Adding S or ES.
Bravo.
Or A.
Yes, usually I add S or ES to make most nouns plural? Can you give me an example?
Yes.
Can you give me an example of a word? Let's say boy. Boy becomes what? Why did you mute yourself? Becomes boys.
I muted by accident.
Okay. So boy, for example, boys. I only added S, right?
Yes.
Give me another example if you know.
Boat.
Boat. Boat becomes boats. Good one. Another one that I have to add ES. Bus, for example, becomes buses.
Buses.
Bravo. Thank you, time. You've earned points. Bravo, Miss, bravo. I'm so happy. Let me have now Nasser. Let's see if Nasser is also, if still remember anything about our last lesson. Yalla, Nasser.
Yeah.
Nasser, tell me, when do I add ES?
ES like boxing.
Yeah, so if we say, there's a rule. We say if the noun, ends in what?
With S,
X.
X or S, I mean CH
Bravo.
or
C
SH.
SH, bravo, or S or double S. If the noun ends in these letters, I should add what?
ES.
Bravo, bravo, Nasser. Add ES to the noun and not only S. Bravo, Nasser. You've also earned 5 bonus points. Thank you a lot. But here we have a different
I
rule.
will mute myself.
Thank you. Here we have a different rule.
Yeah.
It's not about adding S or ES. It's about, you can mute yourself, Nasser. It's about irregular plural nouns. Irregular. These are nouns that do not follow the rule. These are nouns that do not become plural by adding S or ES, as most nouns in English language do. You're probably familiar with many of these already. For example, the plural form of man is men and not mans. I will enable that chat. Let's see how much you know about. I will give you a word and I want you to type in the plural form just to see how much you know about it, okay? Yeah. What is the plural of the word I sent? Write it down and the first 3 will get plus bonus points. I'm going to write your names here. Malak, Aline, time wrong. Malak, Aline. Malak and Aline. And Zakaria. Bravo. So they wrote that fish stays fish. Excellent. Yeah, another one. Tooth. I sent tooth. I have Muhammad Zalgout, Aline, and time. Bravo. Aline, okay, so Muhammad Zalgout, Aline, and time, the first 3. Another one, ready? I have the word mouse. Okay, so it's wrong, Muhammad Zalgout. Zakaria, you got it right. Kristen got it right, and Malak. Zakaria, Kristen, and Malak. Bravo, miss. Okay, last one. It will be sheep. Okay, Layla Farhat and time and Aline. What, Aline? Okay, Aline, she got most of them right. And fast. She's probably you know how to type. Bravo, miss. Okay. So you already, that's what they said. You already know some of them. Okay. Okay, so now let's continue. That's what they mean when they said that you are probably already familiar with some of them. You just showed me that you are familiar. For example, the plural of mouse becomes mice. So here from mouse to mice, as you can see, most of the letters have changed, okay? Sometimes only one vowel, like man becomes men. It's only one vowel. And sometimes many vowels change. Some nouns stay the same, as you said, as in deer, deer, fish, fish, sheep, sheep. Now this schedule here, you have to memorize it. You have to study it and memorize it. Plural of man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Goose, geese. These stay the same. Sheep stays sheep. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. Scissors also stays scissors. Moose, moose. And salmon is a kind of a fish. It stays salmon. Yes, yes, Ma, what do you want?
Teacher, I wanted to ask, which video do we have to watch to take notes and give it to you?
I meant the video, the recorded video. The recorded video.
In the Zoom.
Which one? This one?
Not the Zoom. The one that I upload on Friday.
Oh, so you're gonna put it on the schedule on Friday?
Yes, for semester 3.
So you're gonna put it on the schedule, the video, and we have to take notes and send them to you on WhatsApp?
Yes, that's the idea.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have less than 1 minute. I'm not going to continue with the activity, but let me just explain something. I want you to practice, try to solve these pages. This is optional, okay? If you